Every trader dreams of making it big. They imagine million-dollar accounts, luxury lifestyles, and freedom from the 9-to-5 grind. But the truth is, most traders never get there. Not because they lack strategies, not because they lack capital, but because they lack the mindset of a millionaire. The millionaire mindset isn't about luck. It's not about taking risky bets. It's about thinking differently, acting consistently, and managing yourself before you manage the market. The first pillar of this mindset is discipline. Discipline is the foundation of every successful trader. Without it, even the best strategies fail. Discipline isn't just following rules, it's controlling impulses. It's taking trades according to plan, not emotion. It's cutting losses quickly and letting winners run. Discipline allows you to protect your capital, which is the most important asset for any trader. The second pillar is patience. Many traders fail because they want everything immediately. They chase setups. They overtrade. They let fear and greed dictate their actions. The millionaire mindset understands that wealth is built over time. It's not about hitting a jackpot in a day. It's about compounding small, consistent wins over months and years. Patience allows traders to wait for high-probability setups. It allows them to follow the plan even when the market is slow or boring. It's the ability to do nothing when nothing should be done. The third pillar is risk management. Millionaire traders understand that protecting capital is more important than making fast money. They never risk too much on a single trade. They measure risk in percentages, not dollars. They know that one impulsive trade can wipe out months of progress. Risk management isn't just about surviving. It's about being able to trade another day, another week, another year. The fourth pillar is emotional control. Markets are emotional by nature. Fear, greed, and frustration are constantly trying to influence decisions. Millionaire traders don't let emotions dictate their actions. They remain neutral. They treat wins and losses as data points, not validation or punishment. Emotional control allows traders to think clearly under pressure. It prevents impulsive decisions and protects the account from unnecessary losses. The fifth pillar is long-term thinking. Millionaire traders don't focus on short-term gains. They focus on building systems, refining strategies, and compounding results. They understand that the journey is more important than the destination. Quick wins are fleeting. Slow, consistent growth builds real wealth. The millionaire mindset goes beyond strategy. It's about how you think, react, and adapt to the market. One of the biggest shifts traders need is moving from a reactive mindset to a proactive mindset. Beginners often react to the market. Price moves, and they chase it. They panic during losses. They overtrade during winners. Millionaire traders anticipate. They plan. They position themselves for the setups that match their strategy. They don't chase the market comes to them. Another critical mindset shift is viewing losses as lessons, not failures. Every trader loses. Every trader experiences drawdowns. What separates millionaires is how they handle it. A loss is an opportunity to analyze, learn, and improve. It's not a reason to panic or double down impulsively. This leads to the next habit, self-awareness. Millionaire traders constantly evaluate their own psychology. They ask themselves, am I trading because of a setup or because of emotion? Am I following my plan or improvising out of boredom or greed? Is my mindset aligned with my long-term goals? Self-awareness keeps them disciplined. It prevents impulsive decisions that can destroy accounts. It creates a feedback loop where mistakes become growth opportunities. Another key element is focus and simplicity. Millionaire traders don't overload themselves with indicators, strategies, or markets. They focus on what works. They master one or two setups. They execute them consistently. Complexity is the enemy of consistency. Simplicity allows for mastery. Mastery compounds over time. Let's talk about consistency, another pillar of the millionaire mindset. Consistency doesn't mean perfection. It means showing up every day, following the plan, and making small, calculated gains. It's about compounding advantages rather than chasing luck. Even small, repeated gains applied consistently turn into massive results over months and years. Millionaire traders also embrace delayed gratification. They don't chase instant profits. They don't trade for excitement or ego. They trade for results. They understand that short-term discomfort, skipping impulsive trades, taking a small loss, leads to long-term success. Finally, millionaire traders cultivate mental resilience. Trading is not easy. Markets are volatile. Drawdowns, losing streaks, and mistakes are inevitable. Resilience allows traders to maintain focus, follow their rules, and avoid destructive behavior even during tough times. In short, the millionaire mindset is about thinking long-term, controlling your psychology, and executing consistently. It's not about shortcuts or instant gratification. It's about building habits that generate results over time. By now, it's clear that the millionaire mindset isn't a secret formula. It's a combination of habits, discipline, and psychology. Let's break down how to apply it in your trading every day. Step 1. Develop a solid plan and follow it religiously. Millionaire traders don't trade on impulse. They define their strategy, rules, entry and exit points, and risk per trade. Then they execute, consistently, regardless of emotion. Step 2. Practice strict risk management. Small accounts are fragile. Even large accounts crumble without risk control. Millionaire traders protect their capital first, profits second. They never risk more than a small percentage of their account on a single trade. Step 3. Track your trades and review performance. Journaling isn't optional, it's essential. Every trade, whether a win or a loss, is logged, reviewed, and analyzed. Patterns emerge, mistakes are caught, and adjustments are made. This is how small edges turn into consistent profits. Step 4. Cultivate patience. The market doesn't always present opportunities. Waiting is not wasted time. Millionaire traders only act when conditions are optimal. They let opportunities come to them. Step 5. Build emotional resilience. Trading will test your emotions. Losses, missed opportunities, and market swings are inevitable. Develop a mindset where your decisions aren't influenced by fear or greed. Neutral, objective thinking is your edge. Step 6. Simplify and focus. Avoid overcomplicating trading with multiple indicators, conflicting strategies, or unnecessary markets. Master one system, perfect it, execute it consistently. Step 7. Think long-term. Millionaire traders focus on compounding gains over months and years, not quick wins. They accept small, incremental progress because it builds lasting wealth. They measure success by rules followed and accounts preserved, not by one trade or 1 week's profit. Let's consider a practical example. Imagine a trader with a $5,000 account. They risk 1-2% per trade, follow a proven strategy, and journal every decision. They hit losing streaks, but they don't panic. They wait for setups that meet all criteria. They cut losses when necessary and let winners run. Over 6 months, disciplined execution turns the account into $10,000. It's not overnight wealth. It's slow, steady, and secure growth. The hallmark of the millionaire mindset. The millionaire mindset also requires continuous self-improvement. Trading is not static. Markets change. Strategies evolve. The best traders constantly study, reflect, and adapt. They never stop learning. Another key point: surround yourself with the right environment. Millionaire traders avoid distractions, social media hype, and noise from other traders chasing quick wins. They create systems, routines, and habits that support long-term growth. Finally, remember this: the millionaire mindset is actionable. It's not about dreaming or wishing. It's about doing the work every day, following rules, managing risk, controlling emotion, compounding gains, learning continuously. When these habits are applied consistently, the mindset itself becomes a self-fulfilling system. It turns small, struggling traders into disciplined, successful, and resilient traders. It turns dreamers into professionals. It turns traders into millionaires, not through luck, but through mindset. So, start today. Commit to the process. Follow your rules. Control your risk. Manage your emotions. Think long-term. And over time, the millionaire mindset will not just guide your trading, it will transform it.